The first several seconds of this video is a voiceover after I've returned from Hamcation. This is a 360 video that you're watching. It means you have complete control. If you have a smartphone, hold it in your hand and you turn. As you turn, you will see the perspective of my camera. If you're working from a laptop, you grab the screen with your mouse and you spin it in the direction you want to see. If you're confused how to watch this video, check for the link in the description below where I give a brief tutorial on how to watch my 360 videos. Okay, you gotta check out this dog. Oh, he even has a sign on him. All right, cool. Did you pick him up at the swap meet? Did you bring him with you?
He came with me. He's been my mascot for several years now.
Okay. Some things are brand new, some things are used. The ultimate flea market. So I'm about 1/15 of the way through this building. Some of you may just get sick and tired of watching. That's perfectly fine. Like I said, I was just going to give you an option to see the show if you've never seen it before. Said I wouldn't talk and I'm talking, so shut up again.
What's the duty cycle? I know some of the commercial
People are looking at my camera. I'm holding it. It's at about 10 feet high. They don't have a clue what I'm doing, so they're thinking I'm strange. I am.
Yeah, I'm kind of interested in these only because
each row, I'm going to say, is about 50 feet long. There's got to be 25 or 30 rows in here. I'm just zigzagging back and forth between the rows. All right, I'm going to pause for a moment. I'm putting the camera right down really close. Spin until you see dials. This is just box after box after box of dials. All kinds of cool stuff here, new and used. All right, I'm pausing because there are some things here I need to buy, I'm interested in. $12 each? I don't think so. I was looking at a UHF connector to a 3/8 by 24. I want to pick some of this up for a special project I'm working on. I'm going to stop here for a second, bring the camera down, spin around till you see some old radios, vintage. This is the kind of stuff that's got my interest lately. These are Collins. These range from about 100 and 275 up to 350.
It'll sell.
Anytime I say I'm bringing the camera down, you probably have to reorient yourself on the screen. Hopefully you've figured out how to do this. If you haven't, you've given up and left already. We have passed halfway through. Still getting strange looks.
On it. I think that's an AS 1200.
I mean, he's been in business a long time. I don't know.
All right, we've got someone waving at us. You know that's a camera. Not everybody realizes that's a camera.
So we need to go to your website, your YouTube channel.
There you go. Yep, he knows I'm here for YouTube. Remember, now that I'm almost 2/3 of the way through, you can stop at any point and control what you're looking at. Here is a big old row of old equipment. I'm just attracted to this old stuff. I'm pulling the camera down. If you're seeing my face, you're looking the wrong direction. Spin the screen 180 degrees away from me. I'm going to slowly walk down this aisle so you can see what I'm seeing. Almost done. If you chose to hang out throughout the whole view of the swap meet, thanks for sticking around. Oh, we got another person waving. You're seeing me?
Hey, how's it going? Microphone Alley,
Microphone Alley?
CW Keys.
All right.
You name it, you got it. We got the vintage gear here. We got something new, something old, something found, something blue, something for you. So what can we set you up with?
We're waving.
Oh, they're waving everywhere.
I don't know, whatever you think.
All right, we've got one more table here that I want to look at for some vintage gear. Again, if you're looking at me, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Spin the camera around 180 degrees. And I say spin the camera, what I really mean is your screen. All right. We're headed out the door. Thanks for hanging with me. Hope you found this interesting. Talk to you later.